Crypto for the most part needs no presentation these days. Over the past sort of couple of years, crypto has risen quickly, truly, as opposed to prevalent thinking. It in every practical sense is assessed that Star Atlas's worth and development will be cosmic on the grounds that it is so strong and has huge potential. Contrasted with other resource classes, Star Atlas cost by and large is trying to foresee and delicate to economic situations amazingly. In any case, we basically chose to make the best projected esteem and assess development for Star Atlas's future. Last month's normal Star Atlas value sort of was $0.00879, and according to our conjecture, Star Atlas exchanged as high as $0.0177 and as low as $0.00 very last month. In the event that we center around generally speaking development, Star Atlas most certainly developed by 77.228834970717771% last month. From our last month's Star Atlas cost forecast, we anticipated that Star Atlas would sort of proceed with its bullish position ahead. Right now, Star Atlas essentially is exchanging at $0.00173, which could top at $0.00369 soon. In light of Star Atlas's cost variances, we sort of have most certainly anticipated that the cost of Atlas would explicitly develop by $13.01% toward the start of July 2023. During the mid of July, the value sort of is supposed to ascend by a limit of $113.21%. Before the month's over, Atlas is really liable to basically develop by $30.28%. In light of Star Atlas's cost changes, we truly anticipated that the cost of Atlas would fall by $13.01% toward the start of July 2023. During the mid of July, the cost is supposed to fall by a really limit of $113.21%. Before the month's over, Atlas is probably going to fall by $30.28%. As per the ongoing business sector circumstance, the cost could commonly be an essentially limit of $0.00548 by 2025, and exceptionally least value down to $0.00507. That being said, the normal Atlas cost could more at $0.00532. Star Atlas value expectation 2023. In the main 7-day stretch of January 2023, Star Atlas came to $0.00426 when it essentially dipped under $0.00273. Interestingly, since January 2021, as per the financial backers and market sends out, Star Atlas is headed to passing the $0.00381 mark before the current year is over, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Before $0.00381, it might break its characteristic of 28 cents and reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Star Atlas will break its past all-time high of 28 cents and hold somewhere in the range of $0.00337 and $0.00381 soon. Amazingly, at this point, on 24 June 2023, Star Atlas is exchanging at $0.00173, and its 24-hour exchanging volume basically is around 2.21 M, and it makes number 636 money in the entire crypto world. Or so they sort of thought. Star Atlas value forecast 2024. There is plausible that Star Atlas can get through the $0.00443 hindrance and really hold the market toward the finish of 2024. In a real sense, the least Star Atlas cost will be between $0.00372 to $0.00443, and the most especially reasonable Star Atlas cost will be consistent at around $0.00406 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Star Atlas's wild swings in esteem and the debate encompassing its earth-hostile energy use, very rich person financial speculator Tim Draper truly is adhering to his expectation that Star Atlas will reach $0.00443 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. in a significant manner, Star Atlas Value Expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists especially foresee that Atlas will start the year at $0.00511 and exchange around $0.00612. As indicated by their expectations, this would generally be incredibly high contrasted with absolute a year ago. This especially is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2026. There is a decent opportunity that Star Atlas 2026 value forecast will sort of twofold in cost. However, it is likewise kind of conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme $0.00780 level. Star Atlas is by and large anticipated to arrive at an unequaled extremely high of $0.00757 or $0.00780 in 2026. And it very well may be the time of Star Atlas, which is very critical. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2027. Star Atlas Value Expectation, or Atlas, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it can possibly explicitly accomplish new highs. As far as price tags and market cap, Star Atlas's cost explicitly is supposed to outperform $0.00780 in 2027. Which especially is very huge. It for the most part has been anticipated that Star Atlas will arrive at the greatest cost of $0.00780, and the really least cost is supposed to fundamentally be around $0.00667 in the following a long time from 2027. Star Atlas Gauge 2028. Market examiners and specialists basically foresee especially say that Star Atlas Value Expectation and Specialized Examination, Star Atlas truly is supposed to cross a value level of $0.00930 in 2028. In the interim, Star Atlas is supposed to fundamentally arrive at the very least cost of $0.00822 this year, which explicitly is very critical. The greatest cost may reach $0.00949. In a significant manner, Star Atlas Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the Star Atlas Value Forecast and Specialized Investigation for the most part anticipate that the expense of Star Atlas will reach $0.0125, and the cost of Atlas ought to by and large reach $0.0125 before the year's over. Likewise, Atlas can reach up to $0.0117 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring huge years for Star Atlas development. Atlas Value Expectation